Kansa was restless. He tried to find the best way to kill Krishna. One day he called for Putana, a terrible demon who can change her form. Kansa ordered Putana to go to Gokul village and kill the infants. Putana took the form of a woman and went to Gokul, and one by one she started killing the newborn babies. Putana filled her breasts with poison and went on feeding the infants. She found Krishna in the village and took him for feeding. Krishna sucked her life out of her fake body and she came into her true form and then died in pain. The Lord Indra is the king of heaven. He is the god of rains. Normally people, who used to farm and raise cattle in the village where Krishna lived, used to worship Indra and offer him fruits and flowers as gifts. Krishna asked them to worship Govardhan mountain as he is the one who played the important role in bringing rain. People followed Krishna and worshipped Govardhana. Lord Indra took it as a disgrace that people are offering gifts to Govardhana for creating rain and not to him. The enraged Indra called for the king of clouds and ordered him to reign over the village till the entire land along with Govardhan is swept over, and thus to end the world. Krishna told that Govardhan will protect the villagers. Krishna lifted the Mount Govardhana on his little finger and every person stayed under Govardhana. Not even a single drop was able to fall on the village because of Govardhana. It rained heavily for 7 days. At last Lord Indra gave up and he realized that Krishna is none other than Lord Vishnu. He asked for forgiveness. Kansa's every attempt to kill Krishna had failed. Krishna and his elder brother Balram had destroyed the force of his mighty warriors. Kansa planned to organize an event in his city and invited Krishna as well as Balrama, so that he could challenge them. Kansa immediately sent his cousin, Akrura, to Gokul for Krishna and Balrama. Everyone in Gokul did not want Krishna to go. Krishna convinced them to let him go. He said that he has to fulfill the purpose of his life. Akrura drove the chariot of Krishna and Balrama towards Mathura. Kansa heard the news of Krishna's and Balram's arrival. He asked his minister to unchain the mad elephant Kuvalayappadane in Krishna's way. The elephant ran towards Krishna, destroying everything coming in his way. Krishna cut off his trunk with his sword and the elephant died in pain. Kansa went to stadium and sat on his throne. He asked Akrura to point towards Krishna and Balrama. The contests held in the stadium were not an ordinary wrestling matches, it was a do-or-die fight. Kansa challenged Krishna and Balrama to fight with Mushtaka and Shanura, the invincible demon warriors. Krishna killed all of them. Kansa was shocked to see his best warriors in the clutches of Krishna and Balrama. Krishna then roared, "Oh evil Uncle Kansa, now it's your turn to go to hell." Everybody in the stadium was so confident of Krishna they stated to shout, "Kill Kansa, kill the evil, and end the tyrant." Kansa tried to escape from the arena but could not flee. Krishna caught hold of Kansa and made him recount his bad deeds, killing innocent children, imprisoning Devki and Vasudeva, imprisoning his own father King Ugrasen, doing injustices to the people of Mathura. Krishna cut off Kansa's head with his weapon chakra. The heavens showered flowers on Krishna.